at our leisure now that the snipers are gone. The post office is a Soviet stronghold.
Follow me, Chris. I'll take you to the safe house.
Isabella! You're back!
Yes, and I owe it all to this man.
You must be Chris. Come on in.
Nice work.
This is only a temporary base. We're using it as a staging place for this mission. Let's plan our next move. Like it or not, you have a new profession now. Freedom fighter. Here we have an overview of the enemy compound. You can see them unloading equipment. They're using this post office as a temporary command center and planning further advances into the city from here. It would really set them back if we recapture this area. You won't be alone. Ever since you proved yourself by rescuing me, people are starting to believe in you. I'll let you lead two of my best men into action.
This way!
Roger that. Let's roll.
As long as they are recruited, these guys will follow you wherever you go, just like bodyguards. Remember, you are the leader. You can issue your men commands. Order them to attack that small patrol up ahead.
Regroup! All of you, Wilco! Abort, everybody!
Roger, let's roll.
Take them down, all
Good.
of you!
Your men will fight every enemy in the direction you're pointing them.
Enemy is nearby! Regroup, everybody!
Great. You're a true leader. No, sometimes it's important to know when to fall back. Get on top of the container. Remember to check the map once in a while.
Report any activity. All of you! Sir, yes, sir!
We got company.
back here! Everybody, moving out! Ah! Fall back! All of you, pull out! Abort, everybody! This'll fix you up.
Thank you. It's already getting better.
Check over there. All of you,
You're in the area.
get back here! Everybody!
Falling in, sir.
Find the Reds. All of you! Destroy! Everybody!
Reds! Where are you? Stay alert. All around. Hey, bro. It's damn good to see you.
Pull out! All of you! Regroup! Everybody!